Using Resend inside of Codex just got a lot easier thanks to our official Codex plugin. You can send emails, build broadcasts, run automations, inspect logs, the works. Today I want to show you how to install it and then what you can do with it. You ready? Let's go. So installation is going to be real simple. You'll see I can just come over here to plugins and search for Resend. You should see it pop up, and then you need to simply authenticate. So I'll start by adding it inside of here and install the plugin. And Resend has an OAuth layer now that can connect these two very quickly. So here I'll sign in with Resend. It will simply jump me over to my Resend account, ask me to authenticate, and pick the team I want to be a part of. So here I already have Wayback Store selected. I'll use full access so I can do more than just send, and then I'll connect the two together. In fact, if I look back over here, you can see that we're ready, and I can actually try it directly in the chat if I want to, and it even gives me a sample prompt. Now, because we connected the two together using OAuth, you can actually inspect and even revoke that access if you want to. So underneath your settings here, you'll go to Team, and then scroll down and click on Authorized Apps. Here you can see ChatGPT. I just installed it, and I can come over here and revoke access if I want. So you've always got full control over each connection you have to your Resend account. Well, the real question here, what can you actually do with it? Well, if I look at the actual plugin here, you'll see that not only do I get a description and some things I can ask it, but if I scroll down here, you'll see that the skills have also been installed. Now, this means your agent is guided in how to set up email flows, authentication flows, anything that interacts with the Resend account, including just general email best practices without any extra work on your part. So you get the skills and all the actual tools available to do things within your Resend account. Now, what are those tools? Well, inside of Codex, you can send an email. So for instance, you can gather a bunch of data and then send that along to your team. You can also look at received emails if you've got that set up on your Resend account. Now you can do anything basically across the surface area of the application. So you can set up templates and topics, run full automations directly from Codex. So for instance, you can tell Codex that when a new user is created inside of your application, you want to fire off a custom event that starts an automation that sends a welcome email sequence. This plugin also has a tool to connect directly to a broadcast using Codex. That means I can edit or change an email directly from Codex and even see a little indicator pop up showing that this is working. Now, of course, you can also string together different plugins to accomplish a task. So for instance, I can take this email designed in Figma and use the official Figma connector to pass that template along to the Resend connector, which in turn builds this email within my Resend account. AI is actually helpful when it has all the skills and the actual tools to accomplish what you need in a context-efficient way. And this new Codex plugin does just that for Resend. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy emailing.